So, commenters on my last video had given me the indication that I still sounded a little too Australian, so let's mix it up a little for this one. In any case, as you can see, the room is completely painted-ish. There are a couple of areas that are going to need touch-up, where I ran over the edge of the masking tape with the brush for the wall color paint. And the other thing is that because this wall color is almost exactly the same as the undercoat, you really can't see very clearly when you haven't painted it properly. So there's a few patches around here that are going to need, again, a little touch-up with the wall coloring. But overall, nice result. I'll be pulling off the tape once I get back from Canada and New York. I'm going to Canada tomorrow, and from Canada straight off to New York, where I'm going to spend a week working and with my wife and her friends. This is the one wall that was completely done, and it was kind of the test case to see if my technique was okay. Looking pretty good. The boundary is about as good as you'd expect, and certainly anyone who comes in here and complains about it is welcome to go to hell. So, getting real close, we'll have to mask off the trim and then put the nice dark color there, but all in all, damn near good.